Hi guys, I want to talk about the moon. So you can see it nicely on the left top corner on the flat earth. Now when you look at the moon, it always faces the sun. Here's South Africa, okay? I just want to talk about this moving away, the sunset in South Africa, okay? And I'm going to show you in what direction the sun goes, and then I'm going to prove to you that the moon supports that, okay, and that the moon itself shows you that when the sun is out of your perspective, let's say it's in Johannesburg, the sun moves, it's out of your perspective, okay, it's gone, but then late at night the moon comes up, okay, there's the moon in South Africa, and it shows you the direction of the sun. Can we go through that again? Okay, here in the day we can see the direction of the sun, okay, going, and then it vanishes out of our perspective, okay. It's supposed to go north, but in reality it goes south, okay. And now when the moon comes up later at night, look, it's pointing north. It shows you where is the sun, in which direction is the sun, okay. So when you're in South Africa, okay, and you look at the sunset, we know the sun's going south, okay, southwest. We know that because we can see that, okay. There's the moon, okay. But first of all, I want to show you the sunset. There's the sunset, okay. You can see the sun clearly set behind the house, okay. I want to show you another nice photo before I get to the moon. The sun clearly goes and sets there, you can see. Sun goes and sets behind the house, okay. We in Johannesburg, South Africa. The sun never supposed to come south of this house, never ever, okay. It's not supposed to, but we can clearly see it's going south of the house, okay. It comes up south in the morning, it goes down south of the house. But what I want to show you, that when the sun is down, okay, again, that's the curves, okay. When the sun goes down, there's the moon, okay. And I like to actually have a photo of the house, including that you can see the direction of the house. We're looking south, okay. Oh, sorry, we're looking east. Now we're looking east, okay. This sun is supposed, the sun went south. The moon is supposed to be the other way around. The moon is supposed to be pointing north, okay. And the moon is supposed to support the sun's direction, which is now going to the north, but it's not. It's supporting the sun's curve going around the South Pole, okay. In every single person in the southern hemisphere, every single person in the southern hemisphere can see the sun coming up from southeast. They will see the sun going down southwest. They will then see the moon come up and supporting the rest of the night the direction of the sun that stays south, okay. It's pointing south, never ever north, never. In the summer, never ever north. It always stays south, okay. Our 12 o'clock is 100% almost to us. It's very, very much plumb, okay. That's maybe 1 or 2 degrees. So the sun is actually making a curve. The curve is very clear. The sun follows the path from B to the center point of the house and then back to B. And then the moon comes up and support that direction for the rest of the night and almost until the next morning. So out of the 24-hour, I would say a good 18 to 20 hours, you got a direction indicator, not just the curve of the sun and then supplementing with the moon, but it's very, very clear that it's going, that all the movement and the curves are around the South Pole. It's not perspective. It's not an illusion or a reflection. It is the reality. The flat earth map is completely wrong, and it's a little bit evil as well.